Hello dear fans. How to get ethane from ethylene. Ethane is a colorless gas, a representative of the alkane class, with the chemical formula C2H6. Ethylene is also a colorless gas, but, unlike ethane, it is hardly present in nature. This substance is the simplest representative of the class of alkenes related to alkanes, that is, hydrocarbons in which there is a double bond in the molecule. Practically insoluble in water, while soluble in acetone, some ethers. Instructions. Step 1. Under industrial conditions, ethylene is synthesized by pyrolysis of various hydrocarbons, primarily ethane. The reaction goes like this. C2H6 equals C2H4 plus H2. Step 2. Also, propane and butane, indispensable components of associated gases of oil production, can be subjected to pyrolysis. The raw material for ethylene production can be not only gases, but also liquid fractions of direct distillation of oil. Step 3. But sometimes the opposite problem can also be posed, to obtain ethane from ethylene. Of course, no one in industry will be engaged in a completely absurd and profitable business. And in laboratory practice, for visual confirmation of the properties of ethylene, it is quite possible. How can such a transformation be accomplished? Step 4. It is enough to look at the formulas of these two substances to get the answer. Due to the presence of a double bond in the molecule, ethylene can add 2 more hydrogen ions. That is, it is necessary to carry out a hydrogenation reaction. C2H4 plus H2 equals C2H6. This reaction proceeds at elevated temperature and pressure, using nickel catalysts. Thanks for watching.